Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you about a gift that my husband got me years and years ago that is on my nightstand, and it's been on my nightstand in the last 3 places that I lived. So I think he got this for me in 2011, either 2011 or 2012, maybe part of a Valentine's or anniversary gift or something like that. It is a blooming rose by Hallmark. It's really cute. It closes and opens. When it opens, it has a message that says, "I love you" inside. So it's really cute. A lot of people have probably seen this or maybe have it themselves because it's sold at drugstores. I've seen it at drugstores and then of course online and stuff. So it makes a perfect gift, and it doesn't just have to be from a significant other. It could be from daughter to a parent, or from a parent to a daughter, or even son, even though the rose is a little bit girly. I mean, I think it could really be for anybody. I could give this to my aunt. I could give this to anybody special in my life, even a friend. And I don't think it has to just be love in a romantic way. I think it's a really cute gift. So this stands about 9 inches tall. It's somewhat heavy. At the bottom, I guess there is a battery you can replace this with, but I've had this, okay, so say I got this in 2012. About 7 years ago, and I've opened and closed it several dozen times, and it's still working good. And I mean, it's a little slower than it used to be, but it still works. So I never had to change the batteries or anything, but I'm just trying to see what this says if you did have to. So take AAA, because it says AAA right there. We'll open that up in a little bit, and I'll see if the batteries can fit in there. So it says Hallmark on the bottom. It's HMC LIC, copyright, made in China, has the Hallmark symbol. And then when you press here, so you got to press it down a little bit, like I said, because it's older, so it blooms. It's kind of cool. I think it's really cute. All right, one of the petals got stuck. Oh, why is that happening? So it's kind of cool. It's like automated. Looks like a real flower, like a real rose. All right, press this again. So you guys can see the inside. And that one petal stuck. Doesn't seem to want to go down. I don't know why. It was fine before, but maybe I did something to it too much. Maybe I pressed the button too much today. So it says "I love you" inside with the exclamation point, and it says "always" on the, how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 petals around it say "always," and the rest are just regular red petals, and the heart has some glitter on it. Really cute. And then to close it, you just push the button again. Where does it say? Press here. Isn't that so cute? It's special. I love it. That's why I kept it for 7 years. And I don't plan on getting rid of it either. Really cute. I loved when he got this for me. I'm like, oh, that's so awesome. It's like it opens up to a nice, pretty little message, and I like the ribbon around it. It's super cute. It looks nice on my nightstand. My nightstand's a little messy right now. I got some random stuff on it, but it's cute. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to see what it's looking like inside there. Okay, so I tried to open it up and I couldn't. You need a screwdriver, and I don't have one on hand right now. But it takes it says 2 by 1.5 V AAA, and then it has the plus and negative sign. So I think that means it takes 2 AAA batteries to work. But if I remember correctly, this came with batteries in it, and like I said, I haven't had to replace them in 7 years. So unless you're sitting there opening and closing this thing a million times, like maybe if you get it for a kid or something, they're gonna mess around with it more than me, but I don't think you need to worry about that, because this is something that is definitely going to last a long time. Like I said, it's slower than it used to be, but it's 7 years old and it went through 3 moves already. So I think it's safe to say that this is definitely like a durable product. And I think this is like a hard plastic that's around it, and I've knocked this off the table and stuff and it's been fine. So I think this makes a really great gift for either a wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance, niece, mother, sister, aunt, best friend, cousin. I think the list goes on and on. So this is a Hallmark I Love You Blooming Rose. I hope you guys get this for someone special, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching, guys.